build a house, like it's free. You can, made a house in bamboo, but of course, they can um, plant vegetable and other food crops, something like that. Unlike if some other people living here in Manila, they're living in the street, because of course here you have to rent a house. So if you don't have money, if you don't have work, you can't afford to rent even a small room. So yeah, of course, you have to sleep in the street. So it's very difficult, and of course there's no food. So yeah, they keep on, what do you call this? Always asking for money in every people passing by, and you're gonna check in the garbage if there's food still can eat. There's a lot of people here. And I can understand that people is sometimes I like to give them food or a little money, but sometimes I feel like, hi, I don't give them anymore because later on you see them like the rugby, especially the boys that how you call this, they're gonna use rugby. My God, here we call beaker. Yeah, and you know what? If you give them food, they are angry. They don't accept the food because they want just like the money because they're gonna buy. They don't buy food. They're gonna buy the rugby. So yeah, that's why sometimes I told to myself, I don't give anymore this kind of person. But the kids, yeah, it's considered the kids and the old man, the grandma and the grandpa. Some are, looks like they have a strong body and you think it can work. So why they still asking for money? And sometimes if I'm walking with Miss Rochelle or some of my other friends, they keep on asking, "Hey, you know what? We are working night and day in order to have money. Sometimes we don't have sleep. We're working in order to have money, and then you guys, you keep on walking on the street and asking for money. You can work. Look at your body; it's so very big." But of course, the grandmother, I mean the old man, the old grandma, it's considered we can give them. The baby. If we give them food, they said no. They ask money. Same here. They don't accept the food. They're angry because they just want money. And some they did not accept 5 pesos or 1 peso, something like that. They ask like 20 pesos, 50 pesos. So it's big. Imagine there's a lot of people walking in the street, and even every person they're gonna give 1 peso. Oh my gosh, they're gonna earn like one day, like it's a lot. So what if every person they're gonna give like 20 pesos? So they have a lot of money in one day. Carlos, hello. Hi, I don't know why. If you guys understand my